My father was a great artist. Part of his passion was to make the oil for his oil paintings by himself. He used organic linseed oil for his work. The quality of linseed oil, especially the one that he used, making it by himself and letting it sit in the sun for 7 years, it cures much faster than any other vegetable oil. I use that oil on my Baroque style flute headjoint in order to preserve the wood the best. The linseed oil becomes part of the flute headjoint, and with time, layer after layer, it builds up and it opens the wood and gives this unique and beautiful signature of the Baroque flute sound. This is the first time I apply the oil on this flute head joint, therefore I use a lot of oil. The wood will absorb all of it. Later on, you can use much less, 2 or 3 drops the most. This flute head joint is made out of Gabon ebony that was harvested many years ago. By using this special wood and these special methods and the special embouchure hole that gives this unique Baroque flute sound, and by using this traditional well-aged linseed oil that was made with passion, I'm not just making a better flute head joint, I'm also applying the passion and the love. Thus, I'm praying that the musician that will perform with this flute head joint will enjoy the passion and the love I put in this flute head joint, and his or her music will inspire both the player and the listener for that passion and love